Good morning, good morning. Let me remove this one here. It's Thursday morning and I feel so good. So today is a kind of resting day for me. I won't be doing some few stuffs at home, checking my mails, and also I have to finish up one contact I did 2 days ago, I think. Yeah, so that's what I'll be doing. And also I'll be unboxing this box here I got from Sephora. I did online shopping because I bought some few skin product, and I also received I received 2 letters from Sephora. That's one of them, and also this one here, and also this one here. So we're gonna be opening them and see what is inside. So that's all I'll be doing today. And today the weather is so good. Actually, it doesn't feel like autumn. As you can see, I'm wearing the short sleeves t-shirt, so it's not cold. These are these I'm drinking today. Actually, the taste is very good and I love it. It's very good. So this is the box. First I sent this Clinique foundation sample. So this is the package. So the first product I got is from Clinique. This cute box here. I don't know if the camera is focusing well. Yeah, basically I wanted to buy Moksha Surge, but I realized when I buy the box, it's much more cheaper, and also I'll end up getting other 2 products which I normally use. This one's here, liquid facial soap mild and Moksha Surge Intense. So let me show you the product. So this is the Clinique Moksha Surge. Basically, this is my favorite face cream so far. I like it. I normally use it like almost every day. So this is the cream. This one is my favorite so far. It's very good. The other one. This is the other product. This one is the Clinique Moksha Surge Intense. I don't know if the camera is focusing well. I don't know what is wrong with the camera today. This is how it looks like. The smell is so good. The last product from the box is a liquid facial soap mild. Basically, I use this one like every day when I'm cleaning my face in the morning and also in the evening. The smell is always very good. Very good smell. And basically this one is very nice, especially when you're traveling. You don't need to bring the big bottle, so this one is a good deal, especially when you are traveling. The second item I bought is from Pixi. I don't know if it's focusing. Yeah, there we go. Basically inside here there is 3 products. There is a Glow Matte Cleanser, Glow Tonic, and Glow Matte Mask. Let me open it. So these are the products. Come closer. Yes, these are the products. This one is Glow Matte Mask, and then Glow Tonic, and Glow Tonic. This one is the Glow Matte Cleanser. Yeah, that's all I got from Pixi. The second product is from Sephora. This one is the hand balm. The smell is so good, so good. Smells exactly like almond. Another product I got is from Origins. Basically, this one is the foot cream. This cream normally helps me to moisturize my feet and keep them soft throughout. So the other product I got is basically these ones. You all know these. These are solid cleansers. This one I did review some times back. Yeah, this one is new and I think is good. And the good thing about these solid cleansers, so unfortunately guys, one product just fell down. So guys, I have to clean up the mess here. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and clean up because it is the way it is. I've already removed the broken bottle. So yeah. So guys, I was just waiting for the floor to dry and now I'm gonna go ahead and clean up with the vacuum cleaner because I think maybe there's some small particles still remaining on the ground. And if there is something I fear most in my life is broken bottles. I fear a lot. So I'm gonna go ahead and double clean again. So this the product dropped down and I think this distracted my day. So after this I'm gonna rush to the shop and get another one because I just finished what I had today. So if I don't do that tomorrow, I will not have any product to use. So after this I go to Sephora shop and get another one. So let's proceed. I also bought brow pencil. This one is from Sephora. And now let's open the letters. There is this one here. Let's see what is inside here. This is what is inside here. I think it's some product samples. Yes. And they are from Clarins. I think these are new products from Clarins and both of them are eye serums. So that's one of the letter. Let's check the second one. Let's see what is here. Wow. So I got black card from Sephora. Basically, I've been using the white one and I think the black one has more privileges. Let me check. Yes. This one, every €1 I spend, I'll get 1 point. And each and every 150 points, I get 10% discount. Wow, that's good. That's very good. So this is the card. Actually, I'm very happy about this because I've always been asking when will they give me the black card because this card has a lot of privileges. I like that. Yeah, so guys, I'm back. I got the product I felt down before. I forgot to remove my bag. This is the product that fell down before. So this is the product. This one is 50 ml, and basically the one fell down before was that ml. Because of what happened, I decided to buy the big one. So that's it. So let me show you the other products I bought. I forgot to order these ones online, so I picked them from the shop. So this one of them, maternity wipes. Oh, sorry, this one not maternity wipes. These are face masks. Basically, I wanted to buy maternity wipes, but they were all out of stock. I don't know if I will find them on their website. I'm not sure about that. And instead, I took coconut face wipes. This one you all know. This was also my favorite, but maternity wipes are my favorite face wipes. So that's it, and the whole thing distracted my head. I didn't plan to go out, but it is like that. Hi guys, I'm back. So I want to prepare ginger and lemon cubes because I usually use them almost every morning for my tea. So basically I love to prepare them and store in the freezer ready to use so that I can save time in the morning. So let's get started. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add warm water. So I've already filled this and I have another one here. So I'm gonna go ahead and store in the freezer. So guys, that's all for today, and thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. And if you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to click subscribe button below put the notification bell on so that you'll be notified every time I drop a new video here. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up as well, and I'll see you in my next one.